Right now, today, 5 systemic money mistakes are likely draining hundreds of dollars from your accounts every month. These leaks are usually invisible, occurring within the structural ways you save, borrow, and invest, rather than your daily discretionary spending. 78. Without a cash buffer, every unexpected car repair or medical bill is forced onto a credit card at 24% interest, turning a one-day emergency into months of debt. To fix this, you need to move your emergency savings into a high-yield savings account. While traditional banks pay a negligible 0.01%, accounts from institutions like Ally or SoFi currently offer 4 to 5%, allowing your safety net to grow while it sits. The second mistake is ignoring your credit score until you are ready to make a major purchase. By the time you apply for a car loan or a mortgage, the window to optimize your rating has already closed. The cost of a low score is massive. On a standard 30-year mortgage, a score of 620 versus a 750 can result in paying over $100,000 in additional interest over the life of the loan. Lenders use your credit utilization, the ratio of how much you owe versus your total limit, as a primary measure of your risk. High utilization signals financial stress and lowers your score. To fix this, pull your report at annualcreditreport.com to clear errors and keep your total credit usage below 30%. Foundation errors like these transform minor inconveniences into long-term financial anchors. Addressing your safety net and credit health prevents a single bad day from derailing your progress for years. Mistake number 3 is lifestyle inflation. This happens when your expenses silently rise to consume every increase in your income, often through a slow accumulation of recurring subscriptions and higher daily costs. To stop this creep, follow the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and the final 20% strictly to savings and investments. When you receive a raise or a bonus, move that new capital directly into your savings tier. By increasing your savings percentage before expanding your lifestyle, you ensure your wealth grows faster than your expenses. The fourth mistake is the most expensive: waiting to invest because you believe you need a large amount of capital to start. Starting at age 25 with $200 a month can result in over $700,000 by age 65. Waiting just 10 years to start with that same monthly amount results in less than $300,000. That 10-year delay costs you $400,000 in potential growth. Fix this by capturing your full employer 401k match immediately, as this is a 100% return on your money. Then, open a Roth IRA and set up automatic contributions into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. When you start early, your returns begin generating their own returns, a snowball effect that grows exponentially over decades. Missing those early years creates a mathematical gap that even much larger contributions later in life can rarely fill. Mistake number 5 is paying only the minimum balance on high-interest debt. Credit card companies calculate these minimums specifically to maximize the amount of interest they collect and extend the duration of your debt. If you owe $5,000 at 24% interest, making only minimum payments means it will take 8 years to reach a zero balance. In that time, you will have paid nearly $5,000 in interest alone, doubling the cost of your original purchases. Use the avalanche method to break this cycle. Continue making minimum payments on all accounts, but direct every extra dollar of your budget toward the card with the highest interest rate. Once that debt is gone, roll the entire payment into the next highest rate. By targeting the most expensive debt first, you minimize the total interest paid and mathematically accelerate your path to being debt-free. To fix these 5 leaks without becoming overwhelmed, you need to execute them through a structured 4-week plan. Week 1 is for auditing. Pull your credit report and open a high-yield savings account. Week 2 is for budgeting. Audit your subscriptions and lock in your 50-30-20 limits. In Week 3, start your investment engine by enrolling in your 401k match and funding a Roth IRA, even if you are starting with just $50. Week 4 is the most critical: complete automation. Set automatic transfers for savings, investments, and debt payments to occur every payday morning. Wealth is built by systems, not willpower. When your financial plan runs on autopilot, you remove the need for daily decision-making, and ensure your progress continues regardless of your schedule or memory. Comment below with the specific mistake you are tackling first this month. Then, subscribe to the channel because next week I am showing you how to use AI tools to find hidden savings in your budget automatically.